Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to find Lenovo Docking Station firmware version, step-by-step version check guide. Method 1. Use Lenovo Vantage, which is recommended. Open the Lenovo Vantage app on your laptop, and if you don't have it, download it from the Microsoft Store. Then connect your docking station to your computer via USB-C or Thunderbolt and ensure it is powered on. From there, navigate to Device, inside it find Docking Station or My Device Settings. Then under Hardware Details or check for updates, the app will display your current firmware version. Method 2. Check via the Firmware Update utility. Look at the physical label on the bottom of your docking station to identify the exact model/machine type. Example 40AS, 40ANYO. Then go to the Lenovo support site and enter your dock's model number. Then download the ThinkPad USB-C/Thunderbolt dock firmware utility. For example, ThinkPad USB-C dock firmware. And then run the .exe file. The installer window will detect the dock and display both your installed versions and the latest versions available. Method 3. Command line/WMI Advanced. If you are managing multiple enterprise devices, you can query connected USB devices using PowerShell to fetch hardware properties, as discussed on Lenovo forums. However, manual dock queries may require the use of centralized management tools like Lenovo Dock Manager for full version details. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.